Sickened inmates taken to ICUs tonight. A plan aimed at slowing the outbreak was halted over concerns it will spread the virus even more widely. KPIX5's Choi explains.
State prison officials confirming that they stopped this transfer after discovering 2 more positive cases, which brings the total to now 572 in the last 14 days. We've also learned that several additional hospitals are now taking in some inmates in need of medical care.
The San Quentin numbers are staggering. As of tonight, 614 confirmed cases among the 3,700 incarcerated. Community members in Marin hosted a virtual town hall to address their concerns, including a current inmate.
Understand that the longer that this pandemic exists anywhere in any form in our state, the longer and farther we are away from getting back to work, getting back to school, getting back to any sense of normalcy in our lives.
Tonight, KPIX5 has confirmed Seton Medical Center in Daly City is taking in sickened inmates. So far, at least 25 are being treated at Bay Area hospitals under heavy security, including Marin General and St. Francis Hospital in San Francisco. Prison advocates demanding the governor and the California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation grant more releases amid the outbreak.
We should only release or reduce the population by non-violent, low-level drug offenders is a very, actually very harmful narrative of what's to be put out there as far as deserving and who's not deserving.
Richie Greenberg, a former San Francisco mayoral candidate, agrees prisoners with fewer than 180 days left on their sentences and test negative should be let go, but is wary of others being released.
And it's problematic because you don't want to simply open the gates and let convicted felons who are serving time out onto the streets.
Meanwhile, Khan of Restore Justice believes the state can reduce the prison population by half and still keep the public safe.
And this we had seen from other less serious criminal convicted felons in jails, where they would just come right out and within 24 hours commit another crime again.
CDCR says the 2 inmates who just tested positive, halting the scheduled transfer to North Kern State Prison, are now in isolation and under medical watch.
Public health officials point to the transfer of more than 120 inmates from Chino to San Quentin in late May for this current outbreak. Meanwhile, so far 89 employees of the prison have now tested positive. In San Francisco, Choi, KPIX5.